Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for the 9 subs. Really, I like you guys. Especially to Animal Animator and Gotcha Fox Fun 15, who is also my school friend. So turn, guys. I noticed you've been shocked of the new color. So let's check these over with the rest of the others. I also want to know, will you guys go for a snail animation or a cat animation? I'm sorry if I couldn't upload in a while. Chocolate Part 2 is here. Sit back and relax. Hi everybody. Yes, finally Chocolate Part 2 is here. And I'm not gonna do all the levels because they're so hard. Level 30. Wait, we're not at level 30. Oops, we're at level 27. 27. Oh man, this one's easy, but the hard ones you need a computer to play on. It's really hard on iPad. Spider-Man 1 is so hard. I'm gonna skip that level. Okay. So yeah, we're at 10 subscribers. Yay! And you may have noticed that my new logo at the front. Pretty cool, eh? Well, here I am just waiting for the cart. Getting some boxes. Got excited there. Put myself over. Flick. Fail. Flick. Fail. I hate this job. Hate this job so much. Yeah, my voice is a little dry today. Sorry about that. And I'm a little exhausted after getting my hair cut. Oh yeah, face reveal on my secondary channel, guys, and Fortnite will be the first video on there. So yeah, this will be the last video for this channel. I'm very sorry I couldn't do a proper farewell. But yeah. You know my outro? I mentioned in my other video that it's become a meme between Mark and me. We'd always sing that during FaceTime. Oh my gosh, this level is so hard. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed it up for the sake of it. So yeah, I'll see you after this. Oh wow, lol, I killed myself. Well, that's it, I'm giving up and getting out of here. I'm gonna go to 28. The screw this. Who invented this place is so stupid. I gotta say. Risking this bot's life, this bot has to be indestructible for falling and all that. Really. And this truck, there's a dude in there, and he's not even helping. This game is messed up. I don't even know why I started playing it. I guess they decided to try out screen recording when it came on iPad. Pathetic me. Me pathetic. Blah blah blah. Finally, I did this level for the second time. Let me come with you. Okay guys, this is the end of the vid. See you next time. Bye bye. The Game Bear 1.0